Awalnya maling pagar tersebut melaju seperti biasa, namun sesaat kemudian disapa pengemudi motor dengan ungkapan dikawal polisi. Video bernarasi dua pria mencuri pagar rumah warga di Medan sedang dikawal polisi ini viral di media sosial. Kapolsek Patumbak Kompol Faidir Choniago mengatakan, kejadian itu berlangsung di kawasan Amplas, Kota Medan, Sumatera Utara. Kompol Faidir membenarkan bahwa dua pria itu terciduk petugas saat patroli. Faidir menjelaskan selanjutnya petugas patroli segera membawa dua pelaku pencuri pagar ke Polsek Patumbak untuk diperiksa lebih lanjut. Faidir mengungkapkan sejauh ini keduanya mengaku telah mencuri pagar rumah warga. Tim Liputan Berita Garuda TV melaporkan.
My name is Chuck Rose, and I suppose I'm one of the founding members of the group, and we decided Gamelan of the New Moon was a nice name to have a fresh beginning as a new moon would.
Seperti namanya, Gamelan of the New Moon, kelompok gamelan di Houston, Texas ini memulai perjalanan seninya dengan seperangkat gamelan baru yang didatangkan langsung dari Indonesia. Dengan 15 anggota warga Amerika yang kebanyakan pernah bermain gamelan, mereka ingin meneruskan kecintaan pada musik tradisional Indonesia ini.
While the instruments will keep us in a certain genre in a way, but the instruments that we used to play, definitely Javanese style, and when we had ours made, we kind of like the idea of sort of a hybrid in between the two. And so while we lean heavier in the Java direction, it's still a hybrid sort of.
Hibrida antara gamelan Jawa dan Bali dengan nuansa musik yang terdengar lebih modern membedakan Gamelan of the New Moon dari kelompok gamelan yang lebih tradisional.
We were stuck in the mindset of we can only be taught by someone who has come from Indonesia and, you know, is sort of a master of the genre. And with time and, you know, a lot of practice, while we love to learn from different sources, we know that we can also come up with our own material. Or the people that played in different gamelans all over tend to bring a song with them. And that really helps.
Ben Belzer, pemain Bonang, bergabung 5 tahun lalu dengan membawa pengalamannya bermain gamelan Bali saat kuliah di University of Maryland.
It's really a very good experience always with like playing music in general with people, and especially gamelan. I really like the sort of communal aspect of it. Kind of seeing like music unfold from like a group of people rather than like necessarily like a virtuosic like percussionist or like saxophone player. It's really kind of like exciting to experience that.
Sementara Jennifer Gillespie yang telah bergabung dengan kelompok gamelan ini sejak awal berdiri 7 tahun lalu membawa pengalamannya sebagai penari.
I learned about gamelan through dancing, through studying Balinese and Javanese dance. Since I don't do any kind of Indonesian dance now, I've stuck with the gamelan because I love the sound of the music.
Sebagai sebuah organisasi nirlaba yang bukan bagian dari kegiatan belajar mengajar di kampus, Gamelan of the New Moon memang memiliki independensi dalam menampilkan karyanya.
So we can, being able to do what we want and where we want, it allows us to collaborate with a lot of different people, as we did this past week, where we collaborated with the Houston Symphony.
Tujuan utama mereka adalah memperkenalkan gamelan ke publik Amerika, terutama warga Amerika di Houston yang kebanyakan tak memiliki pengetahuan mengenai gamelan.
The questions and the interest of all of the audience members who came up on stage, it was just packed, and there were people who'd played before, and from people who had never seen it before, never heard it before, had no idea what it was.
Tak muluk-muluk, cita-cita Gamelan of the New Moon adalah memperkenalkan musik gamelan karya mereka keluar negara bagian Texas.